In this video, I'm going to show you how to use game launch options in Epic Games step by step, so you can add custom command line arguments to your favorite games quickly and easily. This is a simple trick that can help with performance tweaks, troubleshooting, and game-specific settings, and the best part is, once you know where to find it, it only takes a few seconds to set up. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC gaming guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the game you want to configure. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with a few account and launcher options. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into the Epic Games Launcher settings page, where you can adjust launcher preferences and game management options. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings menu. You'll want to keep going until you reach the Manage Games section. This is where Epic hides the game-specific settings, including launch options. Under Manage Games, click on the name of the game you want to configure. When you click the game name, it should expand and show additional options for that title. This is important because launch options are set per game, not globally for every game in your library. Next, look for the checkbox labeled Additional Command Line Arguments. Go ahead and check that box. As soon as you do, a blank text field will appear directly beneath it. This is where you can enter your custom launch options. Now type or paste your desired launch options into the field. These arguments are what the game will read when it starts, so make sure you enter them exactly as intended. Depending on the game, these can be used for things like enabling specific features, changing startup behavior, or applying troubleshooting fixes. If you're copying options from a guide, double-check that they're meant for your specific game before pasting them in. Once the launch options are entered, you can simply close the settings window. Epic Games will save the changes automatically, so there's no extra save button to press. The next time you launch that game through Epic Games, it should use the command line arguments you added. And that's it! You've now learned how to use game launch options in Epic Games. It's a fast and useful way to customize how your games start, and it can be especially helpful if you're trying to optimize performance or fix a launch issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.